pancakes? Why not?
You guys are recording?
Yeah.
Why?
He's our customer. He's our faithful customer, if you guys can tell.
Customer, wait, please.
I don't need a haircut. Adrian, I don't know getting haircuts tomorrow.
What?
You guys are going to get a haircut tomorrow.
Today?
Mañana. Jazz, don't burn the pancake.
Oh. Pancakes.
Pancakes.
So I just go like that and then, yeah, that's what I do.
So this is how Jasmine makes her pancakes.
Oh.
What happened there, Jasmine? You guys, this is going to be a huge... Okay, we don't know what happened there.
We just can cut it.
Jasmine made a... I guess she figured this pancake is for all of you to share.
Just kidding.
But I don't know if you noticed it, but our masa
It's too big, that's why.
or mixture, I don't know. It's really thin. I like it really thin. So our pancakes come out really thin. My dad loves my pancakes. He says I make tortilla pancakes because they're really thin. They're more like the, how do you call those? Oh, ¿cómo se llaman? The ones that... They're more, they're kind of, they're not really, they're more, de esos que venden con crema de fresa and stuff like that.
Oh.
Like the ones that we're selling over there. Mexico, and they sell at the fair and stuff with whipped cream and stuff.
Look, it's all over here. Oh my god. Look at these. These ones are like kind of good. They're like so skinny. Skinny.
Don't be touching them like that. We're going to show them right now. Oh my god, Jess.
Pancake. Okay, how many? No. Okay, and a drink. Get rid of water. And what? You want to get rid of water? One more time. Okay.
Woo!
Okay, now what you want? How many pancakes? Two. Do you want water or Gatorade? Water. Do you want banana
Or we have orange juice.
or orange juice? I think water with ice and banana. Okay. How many? Two.
Why don't we have the
bananas?
banana? Ask him if he would like the banana on the side of his pancakes.
Do you like banana inside your pancakes?
On the side.
On the side of your pancakes? Yeah, sure. Do you want butter on your pancakes? No.
Syrup?
Syrup? Only pancakes in there. You don't want syrup?
Or we have
What
honey
is
too.
that? I don't know what
La
syrup.
miel, la miel.
I know what is syrup.
La miel del pancake.
I know. Okay, do you want that? No. Okay, be right up, man. Look how I did his straw. Here's your water, Matt. We just...
Sir?
Sir? And we just need the 2 packets of the banana and the... Do you want peanut butter? Do you want peanut
Tell him
butter?
we're just going to give him options.
No peanut butter!
Okay, we'll just have the
Give him
options.
options.
Yeah.
Hurry.
How's your water, Aaron?
Good.
Okay, you like the
And
flavor?
I like how to do it.
Okay. We'll be back, customer.
Ma.
3.
I want my pancake! I'm so sorry! Okay.
Coming up, sir.
Hurry, I want my pancake! Hey, what are we gonna do? I got these shades from Aaron.
Let me give me that.
And I already washed them, so we're gonna put them, then we can... Maybe
You can put 2 in there, so make sure you do it on the edge.
elephant, that's my favorite animal. Ooh, this kind of looks like a...
And I think that's the elephant one. I'm going to squish it in there. And this one too. If it works.
I hope it doesn't. I hope it doesn't.
You gotta like go like this. Yeah, like that.
Oh, kitty cat. There's a kitty cat. Now let's go do an elephant. What are you doing? Let's do another one there. I'm gonna get it.
Here, you guys
Why
see
not?
the kitty cat?
Kitty cats are ugly. I don't like them.
She's gonna try to do one more.
Okay, here's your order. And we got you this.
So what do we have here?
We got peanut butter, banana, apple, delicious. I think this is butter. And honey and
Miel for pancakes. That's original honey. Natural. And
this is how you say it?
syrup. Miel.
Syrup.
I thought it was like a drink.
Okay, so here's your order.
Oh, and peanut butter.
What is mine? Whatever you
And
want.
peanut butter.
Give me
You can put
give me apple with
milk
the
on
peanut
it.
butter.
We got spoons here.
Darling Angel,
Butter.
apple and peanut butter.
Peanut butter, spoon of peanut butter.
Peanut butter and apple.
You don't even have a plate. Angel's having
Don't record.
peanut
Oh, you can put
butter. Yum.
Dad? Can I have it?
Dad!
Yeah, you can eat it.
Daniel,
Okay.
Okay, and another one. Do you want another spoon? Bring it down. Okay, have a nice day.
Okay, so Jasmine made the pancakes. We shouldn't be having pancakes at this time, but
Look
we're
Look
all
at my
gonna
paper you got.
prepare our
Oh,
own
that was good. I want some.
pancakes.
Let me see all the animals. Let me guess. Okay, I don't want to do it. I see the customers eating pancakes, you guys, and I'm like seeing them, and my saliva is coming out.
I don't.
But
My
can I
saliva.
see
I
that?
already did. I think this is line. I'm not really for sure. And a bunny. I had it at bunny, but it died. I was sad. I got that, and I
Here.
have more space there. Which kind of animal can fit?
I want the bunny. Give me the bunny.
Jasmine, chicken on las papas.
So I'm just going and like going like this. Oh no, I'm shaking the table. Oh, did
Mom,
a turtle.
how you even do it?
Okay, now I'm gonna eat them.
You were on. I don't know what that.
Okay. I don't care. Give me some honey. I'm eating my customer food. I just good. Okay, I got honey. Now I'm gonna get on my spoon and then go you professional. This is a professional meal, okay?
You know, I was thinking more like that. You guys are just making a mess like that.
Okay.
Se sirve también así.
Oh, that's why I don't want to do it like that.
Well, yeah, a little bit.
I'm just a mess today. And I was right.
Oh my God, you guys. Well, you guys saw Jasmine's big mess with her pancakes. Now I'm gonna show them how I make mine.
Guys, see this.
I'm sorry, turtle.
Guys, you want to get why don't you guys use a fork?
We just hungry. He's so hungry, so we just eating like a dog.
You guys don't know what a fork is?
Nope.
How's our customer? I don't. My God, my precious little boy. You guys, I thought I was recording the whole time. I made my pancake. I added peanut butter, banana, and the natural honey. And until I edited the video, I noticed that I was not recording how my pancake turned out. That's why you guys see my plate empty. Everyone, I had a pancake on the stove and I burned it. Se me quemó, hasta los pancakes se me queman a mí. Que no se me quema. Hi, Erin. Erin. Erin, he didn't even share the peanut butter with us.
What?
Now you're not even sharing the peanut butter with us. How rude. That was rude. That's what I call rudeness. Where's your manners in the table with no shirt, honey bunny?
Bye, I'm done eating.
Sir, you gotta pay. Sir, I know you ain't about to run and not pay. You gotta pay, sir.
I forgot my money.
Then you better start washing the dishes.
No, I'm gonna go get it, my money.
Call 911. We have a runner. He's gonna run.
No?
He's not gonna pay you guys.
No.
We didn't know. He didn't pay. He just left his plate all empty. He didn't pay. Look it. He left. How rude. Oh, he left his iPod.
You recording?
He's back, you guys. Grab him.
No.
He left his iPod. That's our pay. We're taking his iPod and his headphones away. Oh, you guys see the light on the window? That's me. You guys see me right there? Where's the manager? She needs to clean all this mess.
Hey, Mommy.
Oh my God, the customer's coming back, you guys.
Change.
He brought money. Yay! He don't have to go to jail. Let's see, how much are you paying, sir? How much you bring us? Okay, our customer brought 25, 50, 70, $1.05. Okay, we're charging you $1 for the pancakes and 5 cents for the banana and the peanut butter. Thank you for coming back and being honest and paying.
You're welcome.
Okay? So you're welcome to our restaurant anytime, sir.
Can I help?
Yes. Oh, you want to work here now?
Uh-huh.
Don't do that. You're getting it all over your stomach.
Now can I help right now?
Don't do
I
that.
wanna help you cook.
Don't be. Do you have sticky hands and you're touching my mueble? No. Where's Miss Manager?
Please, officer.
Hey.
The customer leave, and he leave a big mess.
Well, you know the customers.
Bye, you guys.
You know the customers don't clean.
Bye.
You're the owner of the restaurant. You have to clean.
He lives here.
What are you talking about?
He
This
lives
is your money. How much do I get? Because I deserve a tip. I hope.
Let me see the tip. Maybe he needs to pay more because I'm not really push. How it takes.
He paid $1.05.
All right.
I charged him $1 for the pancake and 5 cents for the apples and peanut butter. So how much do I get?
You get This is $1. So you can get you get these. So you get 3 because you helped me and I get 2.
Wow, what a good boss.
So first we need to put in the piggy bank.
Yeah, now you gotta clean.
Okay. And let's start cutting.
Yes. Okay, you guys. We weren't planning to do this little video. Jasmine's all like, I'm hungry. I said, do you want to make pancakes?
And I'm like, yeah.
She said, what did you say, yes?
Yeah.
So we did. So then Aaron heard what? That we were going to do pancakes. And what did he say?
I want pancakes.
Why not? Not surprised. So Jasmine's all like, hey, let's have it all the customer. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope que se les antojaron los pancakes.
Y antojaron el producto de mi
We're sorry if we did make you crave them now.
You didn't mean to do that.
Yeah. I don't really need no peanut butter.
I want to do some yeah, some butter.
Hey,
I used to eat all the bananas.
only the banana.
All the time when we were little, we will always have bananas, and that time we didn't have bananas, and he would cry and cry and lost us. So we used to take to my grandma's house, and it was like so. Cried.
Alright, you guys, thank you for watching the video.
Like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. And comment down below we should do another one.
Cooking.
Like another cooking one, like
Yes, and tomorrow's the last day of school for Central Unified. We hope everybody's enjoying their vacation.
I already have my vacation.
So hopefully everybody's enjoying them. Have a good one. Be safe. Say a little prayer before you go. Say what, honey? Be safe.